The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
What? Are you serious, bro? I'm taking this off. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today we've got something strange but intriguing for you. We're unboxing a pair of what's claimed to be AirPods Pro, but there's a twist. These are knockoffs. So, without further ado, let's dive right in and see what these fake AirPods Pros are all about. Let's take off the tape, and there they are. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow, it's clear that the design is heavily inspired by Apple's iconic packaging. Let's open it. Wow, there they are. Now, the resemblance to the real deal is uncanny at first glance. The case looks pretty convincing, and it even has that satisfying lid flip. Now, let's do the real test. These fake AirPods Pro are claiming to offer active noise cancellation, and we are eager to see how well it performs compared to the real thing. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, so I have my AirPods on. Let's activate the noise cancellation.
Yeah.
What? There's no difference. This doesn't even work. What? As you probably imagined, test number 1 is failed. Now it's time for test number 2. For step 2, we will play some tunes and see how these AirPods Pro handle it.
Oh my god, bro. Man.
The bass is punchy and the mids and highs are decent. But let's be clear, it's not good as the actual AirPods Pro. I'm pretty sure test number 2 is passed. But I think we should also talk about the battery life. But I think we will need to put that to the test in another video, or this video will be too long. So let's just forget test number 3 for a moment and go directly to number 4. Okay, now it's time for the moment that we have all been waiting for. The connectivity test. Connecting them was surprisingly easy. They connected like a breeze until this happened.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
What? Are you serious, bro? I'm taking this off. Okay, I'm pretty sure test number 4 is actually passed. So, there you have it. Our first look at these imitation AirPods Pro. They're not the real deal, but for a fraction of the price, they might be worth considering if you're on a tight budget. Keep an eye out for a full review where we'll dive even deeper into their performance and features. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Catch you in the next video.